It was partly cloudy and the temperature was 79. Again, at 8 p.m. The National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Butte County in northwestern South Dakota, northeastern Crook County in northeastern Wyoming, until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:43 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of El Zeta, or 29 miles northwest of Belle Fourche, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Colony, Belle Fourche Reservoir, Antelope Butte, and Arpan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Butte, South Dakota, and Crook, Wyoming. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXL 23 on Terry Peak. The current time is 8:40.